Man, where's your confidence?
My confidence.
Right there.
We're going to finish breaking in the cam on the Cutlass today. What that truly entails is finishing up the cooling system and wiring up the alternator, therefore making it a functioning vehicle for extended periods of time as opposed to the intervals of 2 minutes like we've been doing. Another reason that is exciting is because that means we can start reassembling the rest of it. I already said this, but pretty pumped up about it. Lowering springs, brakes back together, and then we can start getting some miles on the thing, and then we can start upgrading it piece by piece, and I can tell you guys what upgrades are dope and which ones are not dope. First things first, let's get this cam break-in done. I gotta finish the cooling system. This is not final. This is a hack job. All right? But it'll get the job done, and that's all that I need. That's it. Hey, don't think I'm doing a good job. Just fair warning ahead of time.
Just doing a job.
Correct. Alright, what do you think, Dave? Burn down? Which side is my uber classy breather going in?
Here, Vaseline right here.
Oh, dope.
Gotta know why this is in here, but.
Pan bearings, dude. Actually, plastic gauge. If
Okay.
you put it on your plastic gauge, it won't split and you have to scrape it off. Folks, are we about to get invaded by, cylinders? Did you hear that? You shut up. Okay, well, we used Vaseline to solve our problems. Dave and I, together, as a team. Oh my God, that hurts so bad.
Dude, why'd you do that?
Oh. So, we're...
Back to the Vaseline.
Yes, we Vaseline stuff, jam some rubber and salt. And now we're going to start the Cutlass after I put coolant in it and see if it's going to piss fluid all over the place. We should probably open all windows when we go to fire it up.
Yeah.
The coolant hose, we go.
You're welcome for that.
Coolant fan switch. Let's put some other stuff in it. The real key is to see how much we piss on the floor right now.
car-wise in my entire life.
Really?
Yeah.
Isn't that what it's supposed to be? I mean, allegedly.
Maybe, but
Isn't that
I
what people say?
have never, ever done that.
If you die from carbon monoxide inhalation, but it's from a sick-ass Cutlass Supreme, is it still autoerotic asphyxiation?
I'll go with yes.
Okay. Because I do have an erection.
Well, we did have the Vaseline out.
We did. This is true. Okay, we're gonna fire up and I guess check for leaks.
Check for leaks. here with some heat in it. See if we can adjust the idle mixture a little bit.
You think? Perfect. I'm gonna open the garage doors because if we don't suffocate in here, it's gonna be a miracle. Yeah. Booyah.
Should be good.
Just work.
Big hit? No? Fine.
So there's a hole in the side of the tranny dipstick tube. Just a hole. Don't know how or why that got. I bet I have a spare dipstick tube. Weather update. Snowing.
Man, where's your confidence?
Confidence.
Right there.
I love this car, but I love that
car.
fucking car. Yeah. Here we go. Are we doing it?
Yeah, we're doing it. I'm walking.
Got coolant cap? Oil running down the side of the valve cover. Damn, dude, we ruined the coating on that fucking side with that plug wire.
Christ.
Bummer.
Now that looks like just plug wire melted. That might come off. I'm not gonna touch it.
That would be stupid.
That'd be awesome. Once you get it fired, even though we fired it up multiple times and revved the shit, yeah,
It's totally fine.
yeah,
As long as we had good oil pressure when we were doing
which we were at. I mean, at 1400, we were at 50.
Yeah, I mean, it'll warm, when it warmed up, it went down to like 45, so.
Yeah, she's 210. Should we stand outside for a second?
Why?
Or at least near an entrance?
I mean, we could. I'm just bathing in the glory of...
It is glorious. Oh my goodness. But we've started it a couple of times and revved it up and done all sorts of stuff. If the cam was going to take a shit, it would have taken a shit by now, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, I hope that's just plug wire, but I am not completely confident.
It looks like plastic melty bits on it.
Dude, this thing runs, dude.
It really does.
Man.
Alternator charging, so that's a bonus.
Dude, yeah, brand new alternator and it actually works. That's cool. This is special, dude. It's snowing. It's 30 some odd degrees out. Not even, probably. It's supposed to get down to 28 tonight, isn't it?
Really?
Yeah, agreed. Oh man. Don't mind me. Oh, dude, I wish there was a way we could see if the trans worked.
Yeah, that would be ideal.
That'll be a different video because we got a quarter stick and the cable and the brackets. It's ready to fucking rock, dude.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. I'm sorry. I keep having these waves of like my fucking Cutlass engine runs.
Champ.
I built this thing out of random fucking parts on the internet, dude. The Mexico Block 350, the fucking, I don't even know what the rotating assembly is out of. No clue. So, next up is probably going to be a solid roller 383 for this guy. Or this guy. Literally just got this engine in here.
Right, we're planning on swapping to the Corvette already.
I'm just saying, 500 horse on a 383 with a fucking 2-stage nitrous. Fuck, dude, you do it right, you're making 950. Yeah.
High 8-second car right there.
Dude, sorry, we're getting danger close to me getting to do a wheelie in a G-body, and that just goes right to the tip. Holy fuck knuckles, man. I know we're not done just yet, but thank you so much, Dave. Holy f***.
We got a little more to do tonight.
You know what's funny is, like, I feel like a lot of people that know me as like, got a wrench on this, gotta do this, I gotta do that. And then like, they don't like hear, well I guess they probably do because I've been making videos for a couple of years now. But like, I complain because it's not easy doing all this shit, but dude, the reward is just
Astronomical.
oh so
and that's
good.
what makes it worth it.
Yeah, honestly, I can't believe that I built this engine.
Fantastic, dude.
This sounds great. I can't wait to slam the front end on the ground doing a wheelie and smash the fan into it.
You ready, dog?
I'm ready, dog. Let's do it. Whips up, dude. As soon as you tapped it, it shot up like 15 psi. Oh. Yeah, it's very ridiculous? Unreal. Dude, there's no fuel in the filter. It might be pushing up the tube. She hot.
That thing?
That's weird.
Fucking amazing.
Isn't that dope?
Makes me sad that my car's so quiet.
Yeah.
The raciest race car here is
Hey,
quiet.
right, yeah. Okay, so we hit 220. Decided it was time to shut it down. Was it 220 or 225 by the time we shut it off?
225 probably. There's just no airflow going through the radiator.
Right.
So.
Yeah. And I mean, break in, right? It's got heavy duty oil in it. I just don't know why they just want to get so hot. The GMC, everything I have. But I mean,
Most new cars run 230, 205.
yeah, that's true. Okay, but that's gonna mark the end of this video because it's cold. Even right here next to the engine, it is cold, and carbon monoxide.
I'm good, man.
Yeah, I guess. I'm not as indestructible as you did. I'm not as pickled to the elements in that sense.
I'm gonna sit in that shit for years.
Yeah, it's kind of ripping me up a little. Okay, yeah. So we almost lost a spark plug wire. Almost.
You have 7 others.
That's true. I mean, so tranny fluid.
We gotta figure out
almost.
this fix so it doesn't leak. That's
Yeah.
pretty important. That's
That's
just
a-
flammable as hell.
Right. So, this was an immensely successful ordeal.
Absolutely. We just gotta fire it up at some point. Adjust air fuel,
Right.
adjust the idle. Probably around 800, I would say. Things were running very good at 800 when I just turned it down.
Yeah.
Set timing.
That wasn't 800, wasn't it?
Like
It sounded. I knew it was below 1,000 by a little bit.
It was like 850.
That sounds pretty good. Shout out David Vizard. Literally, I built this engine because of that book. With that book.
Yeah, I built that 400 by that book.
Right. Man. Shout out David Vizard. Hopefully somebody tags him or something because he's still making videos on YouTube. And if I could meet David Vizard at some point, that'd be sick.
Pretty good.
Anyways, shout out Gorilla Carburetors. Chuck, how you doing? Thank you for building me a carburetor. This thing is outstanding. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Dave, for the help, dude. Holy shit. Content coming out on his channel very shortly once I quit being a dick and finish editing his video because I'm a dick. Man, holy shit. Okay.
I'm stoked. This thing ran real good after it warmed up.
It did.
A little fine tuning of the idle mixture, timing. I think we're solid.
Dude, engine build success. Now we just got to get this thing back on the ground so we can get some more garage burnouts, get some more tire stains on this concrete.
I want to hear that turbo spool in the black
That'd be a
car
good one.
just so I know if it's louder than the one in the motorhome.
Right, dude, that'd be hard pressed, but we'll figure it out. Yeah. All right, everybody tune in, subscribe, bell icon, blah, 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 blah. Follow Dave, follow Mark, follow everybody. It's gonna get real nutty.
Got rowdy up in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to sideswipe one of my tool chests with this fucking Cutlass in here, dude. What? Exactly. No! Oof. My throat hurts.
This was like,
Come on, dude. Unreal.